Hello interwebs, welcome to Adamant IT. Today I'm releasing the first of the moving vlog videos that have been sitting privated on the channel, visible only to Patreons and channel members and Twitch subscribers for like a year or two now. So for those of you who don't know, just over 2 years ago in February of 2021, I moved from my old long-term shop that I've been in for 10 years to the current one that I now reside in, which is where a lot of the modern content has all been shot from. And I did actually make a mini series of the moving vlog, if you will. It turned out to be a lot harder than I thought to make a good moving vlog series. Probably because I was too busy trying to move a shop rather than also think about how the hell you make a video about moving a shop. Anyway, I did want to get these out public, but I'm going to put them out, one a week, just so I don't blow up everyone's inboxes with them and annoy everyone. But I also wanted to do this quick intro just to add context to them, just so you people aren't thinking, wait, is he moving again? It's like, nope, this was the move that happened 2 years ago. So yeah, I hope you guys find them kind of interesting. I do want to preface them by pointing out that if I did it again, I would do it differently. Not just the way I made the videos, but also just a lot of the way I handled the moving of the shop. So do keep in mind that if you see anything that looks kind of jank, I was making it up as I went along. And hindsight is 2020, so just keep that in mind in case you'll go, oh, why did you do this? No, that's kind of dumb. It happened 2 years ago. Anyway, please enjoy the videos. They're long and rambly, but hopefully if you're interested in seeing how I took a shop from being just two empty rooms to being the bustling bustle that it is today, enjoy. Thanks a lot, you guys. I'll see you along the way. Bye.